This is Josh with EduCryptocation. Today I'm going to go over how to buy and sell NFTs. I'm on opensea.io today. This is one of the sites to buy and sell NFTs through the Ethereum blockchain. You will need to create a MetaMask wallet first. I do have a video teaching you how to do that. I will put it in the at the end of the video, and then also how to create an opensea.io account. I will put both of those links in the descriptions, but I also have videos on how to create both of these accounts. Once you do that, then you're able to buy and sell NFTs. So there's a few different sites you can use. This is one of the main ones, is opensea.io. So you would come over here to opensea.io, and there's many different ways to look for your NFTs, whatever type you're looking for. There's trading cards, there's sports, music, whatever you're looking for. I'm going to click on all NFTs, and then you can just look through any of the NFTs you'd like. I'm sure there's some that you've heard of and some that you haven't. So when you're ready to buy it and you have your MetaMask wallet linked and everything, you would just click on it, and it shows you the current Ether price. I also think I have another video showing you how to add Ether to your MetaMask wallet. If not, I will make a current one. But and then right here it shows the US dollar amount right next to the Ethereum price. Over here it'll show you the different properties for this NFT and what percentage have this trait to go. That shows you how rare they are for this different set. There are many different projects. There are many different scams as well that are fake projects, so be careful. You do, in order to make sure that it's the one you're looking for, you have to verify the contract. So you would type in your right here the contract address. You would copy this contract address right here, and you would take it to etherscan.io, and that's where you have all your contract addresses. But you would take this contract address, go to etherscan.io, and paste it, and make sure that it's the legit NFT contract address. I will do a future video to show you guys how to verify your contract addresses. And if you guys have any requests on if you have any videos you'd like me to do and anything you need help with in the crypto space, just let me know. I'll be glad to take referrals. As far as selling your NFTs, that's also something you got to do through your MetaMask wallet. I do not have a test account linked to my MetaMask right now, so I cannot show you guys that right now because it's all my private info, but I will do a future video showing you how to sell. It's really easy. You would just have your MetaMask linked and then come to OpenSea. I'm sure once you're able to buy NFTs, you will be able to know the process how to sell them. But if not, like I said, I'm going to do a future video on how to sell them. But for now, this is how you'd buy them, and as long as your wallet's linked and you have your OpenSea account linked to your wallet, you would just click buy now, and it would take the Ethereum automatically out of your account, and the NFT would go straight to your MetaMask wallet, and you would then own the NFT. And that's a brief synopsis, guys, on how to buy and sell NFTs. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I could really use the help. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.